guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rifa. Today I am going to unbox one very beautiful thing that I purchased during the Black Friday. And I have here with me DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro that I purchased with a very good price and a very good discount. I'm so proud of this. The reason I purchased this one because my GoPro 9, which I have used for about more than 5 years actually, since 2020, is dead. However, I'm just so happy with my new camera because it is like the most updated one. And then I research on Google. I compare the two cameras between GoPro 13, the new one, the latest one, and this DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Apparently this DJI Osmo has more stuff that I need. I am more satisfied with the specs of this DJI Osmo, so I decided to purchase this one, and I'm so excited because I've never used this one before. And let's unboxing together. So guys, let's rip these plastic seals together. Well, I purchased this for like 3 weeks ago. I didn't even have a chance to unboxing this yet. Been so busy guys with everything, with life. This is the box. I've ripped the plastic off. Let's open the box. Let's see. I'm so excited. And okay. It's empty. Oops. So here's the camera. It feels like smaller than GoPro. I don't know, at least the GoPro 9. I think this is like all the elements to build the camera. It's in here. The accessories. Let's check it out. Okay, so here's I think the cage for the camera. Now I will have to learn to assemble this, and I think this one is quick start guide, and this is the charger. What else? DJI for room. There's a sticker DJI like all from the cameras. That's cool though. So let's open the camera first. It's super tiny. Oh my god, smaller. So here it is, the camera. Like, I don't know how to use this. Of course I still need to learn. I need to read like all the instructions, but I'm just so glad with this like big lens. Next is this cord. I think this is for charging, and this one is to connect with the stick. Here's the camera, and here's from the back, and here's where you put the battery. It's so pretty. I'm so excited, and I'm very happy about this one. And here's the cage. So let's open this one. All right, so the accessories are here, including the battery. So here's the battery, one battery, and I'm gonna put this inside the camera. Okay, so this is how you put it in the cage. I think you gotta be really careful because it's so tiny and it feels so fragile. Okay, and you can lock it. Nice. So it is locked now. Perfect. It's really nice. I love this. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I love the design, and I love the cage too. I think you can use this to assemble this to a stick. which I do not have yet. In general, I love with the design. I love with the look. So elegant. I think like the color black, and it's so classy with all this. So guys, the first reason why I decided to purchase the DJI Osmo is because it captures better pictures and video at night. So it is very good for nighttime activities at night like biking or even driving night drive. It's still pretty with this camera. I've seen the result online on the internet, so I was very happy about that. For image quality and color, it delivers very vibrant and sharp footage. The next one is a superb stabilization in all activities you'll do. It's like biking, walking, even skiing and hiking, like whatever activity you choose, it's still very stable. Also, the most important thing, the battery performance, it lasts longer than the similar specs of camera. DJI also features a pressure sensor for depth altitude, built-in storage around 47 gigabytes, 4K and 122 frame per second, and responsive for voice control. Based on the review, it is also easy to use, but I still have to watch like the instructions on YouTube. There's also the barcode that I can scan here on this instruction card. So I'm sure like I'll figure it out. It shouldn't be a problem. Who is this camera for? Since it is creating with all the qualities, with all the good things, of course it is good for vloggers like me who loves traveling, who loves outdoor. And in general, it's for any content creators. Like you can use this based on your need, because even though it is indoor activities, it still can make a very good videos. It is very great for the stabilization and the audio. That's what I was looking for. And another one, I think, for people who love sport, let's say diving, snorkeling. Oh my gosh, I love snorkeling. And also for diving, paragliding, skydiving. You can also use this one, and it's very stable. I can't wait to start using this tomorrow. As with my previous camera, GoPro, I will also purchase like extra batteries, and I will need the stick. I won't have to worry about like the battery when it's running out. Like let's say I'm in the middle of the hiking or of the mountain, or I don't know, anywhere during the trip, and I didn't have access for charging the battery. Extra batteries will be the best options. Alright guys, so that's it, my review about DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So the price when I purchased this one for this essential combo, it was 339 US dollar. I bought this from Amazon. After the discount for Black Friday, it came down to 259 US dollar, but after tax, I paid around 286 US dollar. I'm just like so excited to start using it for my road trip that starts tomorrow. I'm just so happy. And stay tuned guys, do not forget to give me like, subscribe, and do not forget to give me like, subscribe, and comment so that you can see the result from my new camera in my next video. And thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video is very helpful for you, like it gives you some information and helps you to decide which camera which is best for you. Thank you so much guys, and then I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!